There we go. And now it's supposedly flying backwards in front of me while I record the audio on the phone here, so we'll see how well that works. Over here on the path so don't trip on a bump. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's kind of going sideways. I think that's good. Now I'll go back this way. It's going to kind of follow me, I think. Yeah, now it's following me. Now I'll turn around and go forward. Yeah. So now it's flying backwards and tracking me. This drone has the AI, and it's a pretty smart little fellow. Sorry, burped. Had a good lunch. Okay. Worked pretty good. Now I'll see if it'll follow me out here in the grass. Oh yeah, it's getting right in front of me there. Struggling with a little bit of wind there, but it's pretty stable. Stay still for a minute, yeah. Got a little bit of wind. Not real bad. There it goes. About 6 feet out there. Follow me in a circle. If I don't look at it, it'll just follow me in the back, I guess. Ooh, there it goes. Then it's supposed to come back and land on your hand. Let's see if that works. Okay, I'll try to follow here again. See if it'll follow me down this pathway here. Just talking into my phone for audio. I'm gonna hook up a external mic too through Bluetooth. I haven't done that yet. This is the first time I'm flying this drone. So. Down the pathway. Walking, walking, walking. We're in Columbia Park. Columbia River's over there. Turn around, look at it. Ooh. Hello, drone. Ooh, goes down with you. You squat down. Back up. So it's basically tracking your head. Hello, drone. How are you today? I wonder if I got closer. Ooh. Okay, let's see if it'll follow me now. Make a good little travel drone because it weighs about 4 ounces with battery, and it's super tiny. You can just about get it in a pocket. Got this little bag here that put it in, but okay, I'll try one more mode here. That land, so you put your hand out. I think it flies out, like that. And then it flies back down and it lands in your hand. So you get a kind of an overview. Let's see, it's coming back down now. Should be recording on both sides. And put my hand out, and this is spotlight. Where basically wherever you walk, it's going to track you. What you're doing. You back up. I don't know if it comes closer or not. No, it just stays there. So it just basically stays at the spot that you launched it. So you can move around, see what's around you. I don't know if I'm filming in a 4K or 1080p, but first time I've tried this, so I haven't got it completely set up there. But we'll see when I get home with some footage. Okay, drone, come on and land.